Hello, champion. George Duarte here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. Guess what? We are right now in the world famous. Let me show you. Let me turn it around. Can I turn it around? Can I turn it around? How do you turn this thing around? Can't turn it around? How do you turn it around?
Yeah, you can't turn it around.
You can't?
No, you can't.
Oh boy.
Keep it going, keep it going.
All right, so I'm trying to turn it around. But look, Jay, you guys come over here. All right. So look, right here we got, okay, don't try to pick him up. Don't pick him up. Come over here.
We got Mr. Bad.
So look here, right here we got.
Mr. Bad that you see, he's like.
Are you gonna keep talking? Let me talk, sir. Right here we got Jade and Anthony Murphy. We got Jeremiah, Edward, and we're live. Guess what? We're live in DaVinci's right here. Look at that. If you guys can see that.
Yeah.
We're live in DaVinci's. There's Scotty. Scotty's over there. He's the brains behind the operation. Guys, this is the best pizza, in my opinion, in Connecticut. Even though I'm vegan, plant-based, he made us a pizza right here that's vegan, and also it has part vegan and part pepperoni for my nephew over here. And I'm trying to stay. Can you stay focused there, buddy? You know this is recording this, right? All right, so look here. We have. Sit down. We got. Yeah, come over here. I need your help. Stop pulling. Stop pulling. Stop pulling. Aaron, come over here. Stop. 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 Okay, I need you to open up the sheet. Open that. Aaron, tip the chair up so he can get his foot up. Tip it up. Now sit down. Sit down. See there? What happened when you don't listen? All right, so you're good now. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Right here. Sit down. Right here, sir. We got a lot going on right now. We got Jeremiah. Say hi. Say hello. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, he's playing games. We got over here, we got Jade. We got Jade. We got Aaron. Fired up. You guys right over here. This right here is this the one with the bacon and the Oh, that's different. Where's the one that the white pizza? Remember it was potatoes. Is that one out here?
No, it's not up there today. We switched them up.
This is mac and cheese.
That's mac and cheese with bacon.
Mac and cheese with bacon.
Mozzarella.
This one up top.
Yep, mozzarella, just plain cheese.
Plain cheese. The one right here on the bottom.
White sausage and mushroom.
White sausage and mushroom.
Yeah, spinach and feta.
Spinach and feta was one of my favorites before I went plant-based. That one right there is the bomb. That one right there, guys. That one right there is
the bomb.
Amazing. So guys, make sure you come down. Let me show you the address right here. No, I don't see the address. But right here. Okay, here it is, right here.
360.
There's the address. Come down here to Route 66, 363 West High Street, Route 66 in Cobalt. You see my man over there. There's Scotty over there. He's fired up with the glasses over there. He's awesome. So guys, with that said, we're gonna go now because we got see right here? We got the guys here fired up, ready to go. So we're getting ready to go back. So they're playing games right now, which is awesome. Stop before you make them fall now. All right, guys, you guys are awesome. Make sure you share this video, like this video. Go below this link or up above or to the right or to the left and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also make sure you get tied in to our world famous barbecue sauce by going to www.sauceforme.com. Put your name and email in. You'll get 7 free recipes. And as you can see over here, he's got the Mango-licious right here. See that? He's got the Mango-licious right there, which is awesome. So guys, you guys are awesome. Until tomorrow, I'm George Duhart from Georgia Live Cooking Show. Fire it up.